Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda 6 28 to 2012 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Open the box. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. Okay, this is a special head unit. Okay, let me show the harness set first. Okay, you can check this special canvas box. This can compatible with both amplifier, both sound system. This special connector, speaker and power cable. Okay, this connector connects to our back head unit. This is radio antenna. And this K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. Okay. It comes with the install parts. You can check this left and this right. And this screws. It comes with remote controller and front mini USB. External microphone. This camera input, camera in. This AUX input and video input. AUX input left and right. Video input. This is audio cable. This is subwoofer connection, and this is video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio front and rear, left and right. Audio out. This connects our back head unit. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, you can check this front and the side. And this side. And please take out these two screws, this one and this one, before installing. Okay, let me show the back. This GPS antenna, this connection. this GPS, this USB cable. There are two USB cable and external microphone. This external microphone. This radio port, this connectors for audio cable and other cable. This Wi-Fi. This power fuse. This GPS antenna. Okay. Okay, let me connect power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check this Pi navigation system. Please take out this screen protector before using. You can adjust the brightness. Okay, this DVD slot, this IR navy, this power and volume, this knob, this front mini USB, this SD card slot. You can long press to change the wallpaper. It supports live wallpaper and image wallpaper. Can choose, click OK. Okay, this date and time update by GPS and network home button. It's radio. Clicks, you can search the radio stations. Okay, it's very fast response. Okay, it's built in the DSP amplifier and easy connection for Mirrorlink. It supports Android, USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, and Play, Google Play Store. You can download the apps from Play Store and videos. Z-Link for Mirrorlink, or Z-Link for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's already built in. Okay, let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About machine, you can check the MCU volume, CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, Android PX5 hardware. Okay, and the Android 9 Pi system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. It's 64 GB ROM. Okay. Let me check the other settings. You can check car setting, personal setting, LED setting. You can choose the gray change button color, and blue, orange, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay, this personal setting. You can set the autoplay music from USB or SD card. This power AC delay, and vehicle battery, Bluetooth phone, night mode you can turn on or turn off. Navigation settings, you can set maps. It supports Google Maps, Sagic, Here, Waze, and other navigation. You can choose a navigation sound and GPS test. Connect the GPS antenna on back of head unit and GPS on its heavy view. Driver settings, you can turn on or turn off. Reversing volume, it's for backup camera. It's autoplay video. It's a real reversing tracking display, reversing X mirroring, and support steering wheel control buttons. You can set its steering button in here. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.